My name is Noah Roberts. I go to Dodgeland High School in Juneau, Wisconsin. But then for the past 3 months, I've been working on my tractor. My grandpa used to restore Farmall tractors, and in 2014, he passed away. So I just wanted to continue his legacy.
One thing to note is that my Farmall is not a base model, therefore it has a flywheel. Hydraulic pump, and a PTO. I will later show these in action. The rear light, rear work light, then when you turn this knob, it turns on the bullet light. We also have the headlights, dim, and bright. One more option I have with my tractor is I also have a crank for it. I will not start it right now, but as you can see inside, it is not seized up. One more thing I want to mention about my M is that it was converted into 12-volt system, so it does have an alternator stuck up in there. On most tractors, they do have a hole cut out right here to fit the alternator, but we did figure out a way to fit it up in there. And then thank you so much for giving me this opportunity.